All right, everybody, this happens to be one of our big blocks. This is a 502 big block. This gentleman shows painted black with some nice polished heads, polished intake. Got a nice Holly carb on here. The MSD distributor, nice March pulley system. It's got red leaves, got the black Chevy valve covers. Just got done dynoing, made 616 horsepower at 5,900 RPM, and it made 660 foot-pounds of torque. Well, these big blocks are really make some good horsepower and torque numbers. If you're looking for some brute torque and horsepower, the Chevy big block is one of your best options. Again, we custom build each and every package to a customer specifications. Anything you're looking for, you can give us a call at 1-800-267-3940.